sucks. I gambled. I gambled. I lost. Right now, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm still dealing with the aftermath of the rainstorm I got caught in. The car is soaked. Meeting Hennessy at the docks because this is not a comfortable ride. Yeah, we'll get at it today. Alright, see you down at the ring.
I'm too light. It's not even. When I was little, we would go to my dad's gym and put the pull-up bar on like the max, and we were like 5 pounds. And just hang swing on it. This is how I feel right now.
Hennessy's last day. There. The hauler goes, and we're hand hauling. So we have everything Jimmy rigged. Who's Jimmy? Why'd he rig it that way?
One more, and those only empty ones.
Let's go. Holy shit. Don't skip the gym.
Or the hydraulic fluid.
Or the hydraulic fluid. This is what we're doing. This is what we're hauling up. By hand. 300 pounds, at least. Yeah, that's empty it.
My time to shine.
Get these guys back in before it's impossible to hand haul, because that's what we're still doing. So she's gonna pull us over to 2 cages that are empty, and then these guys in and get the hell out of here. Yeah, you want the nose into the wind.
Hennessy is headed back to school to finish her final year in marine biology. Thank you for all your hard work and dedication this summer. Thanks for stoking my coffee addiction and pushing past your comfort zone. Best of luck. Hopefully we'll see you next season.